So I spoke to a couple of restaurant owners this week, and it transpired that they're still spending 80 to 90% of their marketing budget on print, on billboards, on flyers and all that stuff. And obviously I challenged them on that, and I sort of said, well, how do you track, return on investment on the billboard stuff? And their response really across the board was that they've always done it and they know it works because they've been doing it for years, and it's helped them grow the restaurant over the last 10-15 years to where it's at now, and it works, so therefore they've done it. I obviously brought the conversation around things like Facebook advertising, social media advertising, asked if they've tried that and if they'd seen any success there, and both answers were along the lines of they've tried boosting posts before on their Facebook page and they've had limited success. They've not really had visibility of the success of the ads. It's been hard to track, of course, and that highlighted and or demonstrated a really, really important point to me, is that people are just not educated enough on what's actually possible with these social media channels in this day and age. I took them through some of the stuff we do on Facebook Messenger. I took them through the way that we run ads and the way that we track the actual money that gets earned, the profit that gets earned from the ads that we run. And they were blown away by it, to be honest with you. It looks like we're going to be getting 2 new clients potentially from it. But more importantly, it really highlighted an issue about education to me. So that's why over the next few weeks, few months, I guess, you're going to see a lot more videos from me actually educating you guys on how you can actually track, how much money you're making from Facebook ads. Because if you're able to do that, if you're able to just track how much money you're making, forget the likes, forget the reach, forget all that stuff. You can just track how much money you actually make from every click that you get, and you also know how much money you're paying for every click. That's a very easy sum to do, and you can say, look, I'm spending this, I'm making this, and you know straight away whether it works or not. If it is working, great, you can invest more. If it's not working, then you need to change something. It's just such a simple way of measuring things, and people just don't understand how you can do it. So as I say, that's just highlighted the need to get more of these educational videos out. That's all I got for now. It's Saturday, I'm going to go and enjoy my day, but just thought I'd drop that little video there and, just make people think, really. Just think twice about boosting posts. If you're one of these people who's boosting posts at the moment, you're boosting posts to try and, generate likes or generate engagement on your business page, just stop and, either educate yourself or speak to me, and I'll show you some ways that you can really dramatically improve what you're doing on there and start to see real, genuine success, genuine money in the bank off of the actual work that you're doing. That's all I've got. So take it easy and enjoy your weekend.